Hello everybody. Well, this is an unexpected video, isn't it? Don't normally do this sort of thing, but I had to because I have to celebrate. Oh my goodness, I didn't think this day would ever come. So, many of you know the ongoing saga with my rose garden paper pad. So, just to be completely clear on this, okay, because I've had a few comments that have confused me rather. So, at the moment, Rose Garden is available as an A4 digital kit, and it is available at DRK Crafts. The link is in the description below. It's also available as in PDF form on my Ko-fi shop. Okay, so that is for the digital kit. So you can get the downloads, and you can do that from anywhere in the world. Okay, so anywhere in the world, you should be able to go on to DRK Crafts and order the digital paper kit, as I said, link in the description below, and also the PDF kit from Ko-fi. That A4 digital kit will include all of the elements that are at the back, the extra elements, so the roses and the sentiments. That will all be in your digital kit. Okay, so that's digital kit, hopefully cleared up. Hopefully there's no more questions on that. Hopefully that's all sorted and all clear. So the problem I was having troubles getting the paper pad available on Amazon. However, last night, which was Tuesday night, I had an email from Amazon saying, congratulations, your paper pad has been published. And this morning I had a look, and sure enough, it's there. So for those of you who want a physical pad, you want this physical item in your hand, all the papers, then it is now available on Amazon. Okay, so Amazon UK, I'm pretty sure you can get that now. Other countries, it might take a couple of days, but it will be on there. So the A4 pad and the 8.5 by 8.5 pad all will be on Amazon now. So big celebrations there. Oh, I feel like I've just run a marathon, but I'm very glad it's now up. Okay, so that's that. I will quickly put in a little video which I actually did when I first had these proofs come through. So yeah, I'll put that up now, and you can and it'll show you just a quick flick through what you get, because I shot that video before I started using it and cutting it apart. But yeah, hooray, hurrah. So I am now going to try and embark on getting the physical paper pad of Mum's the Word and Sunflower Days. I'm going to try and get those up on Amazon. This could take me a few months, we'll see, but hopefully it'll be quick. Hopefully it'll be easy. Hopefully there'll be no problems. So yeah, but I just wanted to quickly update you on this, because this has been long awaited. It's been over a month now, so I'm just like, and I've got more pads and kits in the wings, new ones waiting, but I just needed to get this sorted before we then move on. So as you probably have seen, I've done quite a few cards over the last few weeks. I'm just going to quickly show you them just to get you going. So this is my latest one I did in a live stream. It's just nice to see examples, isn't it, of the different cards. So that's that one. And then this one I did recently. So there's that one. So the tutorials, this was done as a tutorial, so this is up on my site. This was done as a live stream, so it'll be under the live stream tab. There will be an edited version of that coming at some point. This was also done, I think, as a live stream. I think I did this as a live stream. I can't remember if I did it as a tutorial, but it is up as either tutorial or live stream. Oh dear, I've got a leaf falling off. I didn't stick that down properly. I'll have to have a go with that in a bit. And then got this one, which there is a tutorial on its way for this one. This is shortly to be on its way. it's like a pop-up panel. And then last but not least, we have this one, which again I did in a live. Oh gosh, I'm having issues with my red tape. My red tape is not sticking on. I'm going to need to glue those. But yeah, so that's that one. So there you go. So the upshot of this video is that this pad, physical paper pad, is live on Amazon now. The digital kit is live on DRK Crafts, it has been for a while. It's also live on Ko-fi, again has been for a while. So yeah, so that's all I had to say, but I just wanted to do a quick thing because we've had such a saga with this. I just wanted to tell you all the good news. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I'll see you all again next time. Bye!